No followers, no views, no support. Still, he stood up every single day. People laughed at him. But today, millions watch him. This is the journey of iShowSpeed.
In a small room, with no fancy setup, no big money, no support from the world, a teenager turned on his camera and started talking like someone was watching. But the truth? No one was. Yet, he didn't stop. That boy became one of the most viral creators on the internet. This is the story of iShowSpeed. Humble beginning. His real name is Darren Watkins Jr. Born on 21st January 2005 in the United States. Like many teenagers, he loved gaming, fun, and entertainment. But life wasn't luxurious. No big studio. No high-end equipment. Just a dream and a phone. In 2016, he started his YouTube channel. He would go live, play games, talk, scream, laugh. But there was one problem. Nobody watched. The struggle. Days passed. Weeks passed. Still, no views. Sometimes just 1 or 2 viewers. Sometimes, 0. Imagine talking for hours. And no one responds. Most people would quit. But not Speed. He kept streaming daily. Even when no one cared. Because he believed one thing. One day, someone will watch. The turning point. Then came 2021. Everything changed. His energy, his madness, his unique personality. People started noticing him. His reactions were wild. His expressions were real. He wasn't acting. He was being himself. One clip went viral. Then another. Then another. And suddenly, the world knew his name. Rise to fame. Subscribers started growing fast. 1K. 10K. 100K. 1 million. Then millions more. He became famous for gaming streams, crazy reactions, funny moments, unpredictable personality. He even gained attention for his love of football, especially Cristiano Ronaldo. His famous chant, "Siu," became viral worldwide. He wasn't just a gamer anymore. He became an internet phenomenon. Challenges and controversies. But success isn't always easy. Fame brought problems too. Some of his actions created controversies. Some streams got him banned. Criticism started growing. People doubted him again. But here's the difference. He didn't stop. He learned. He improved. He kept moving forward. Success and impact. Today, iShowSpeed is one of the biggest creators in the world. Millions of fans. Billions of views. From 0 viewers to global fame. He proved something powerful. You don't need perfection. You need consistency and courage. This story is not just about Speed. It's about you.
Right now, you might feel like no one is watching you. Remember this, even iShowSpeed start with the 0 viewers. So don't stop, don't quit because one day the world will watch you.